Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV. This has the pearlescent white paint and it's the Allure specification. Now this gives you 17-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors as well as tinted rear windows. You've got the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay as well as Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's done just under 2,000 miles. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.